Hello, good morning. நல்லா இருக்கீங்களா? இந்த வீடியோவில் I am going to teach miscellaneous exercise of chapter 1. இந்த exercise very important exercise. So you will get questions in advanced level and some mind blowing questions will be there. அதனால ரொம்ப கேர்ஃபுல்லாக நல்லா படித்து ப்ராக்டிஸ் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. So first question number 1. Let f such that r tends to r defined as f of x is equal to 10x plus 7. Find the function g such that r tends to r such that g composite f is equal to f composite g. We have to find a function g such that r tends to r. Let f is equal to f such that r tends to r, f of x is equal to 10x plus 7. It is given. We have to find another function g. Before to find another function g, we have to check whether the given function f is invertible or not invertible. If f is invertible, f must be 1, 1 and R2. First we will check whether f is 1, 1 and R2. Let x1, x2 belongs to R. If we assume f of x1 equal to f of x2, we have to prove that x1 equal to x2, then f is 1, 1. f of x1 equal to f of x2. 10x1 plus 7 equal to 10x2 plus 7. We can cancel 7 both sides. Therefore, 10x1 equal to 10x2. We can cancel 10 also. Therefore, x1 equal to x2. So, f of x1 equal to f of x2, we have prove that x1 equal to x2. Therefore, f is 1, 1 function. Then for on to f of x is equal to y belongs to R. What is f of x? 10x plus 7 is equal to y. Then find x in terms of R. 10x is equal to y minus 7. This 7 go this side minus 7. X is equal to y minus 7 by 10 belongs to R. Belongs to R. Then find f of x. We have to prove that f of x is equal to y. F of x. F of x is equal to f of y minus 7 by 10. F of y minus 7 by 10 is equal to f of x. In place of, is it 10x plus 7? This is our f of x. In place of x, replace y minus 7 by 10. 10 into y minus 7 by 10. 10 plus 7. Plus 7. In the 10, this 10 cancel. Is equal to y minus 7 plus 7. Equal to plus 7 minus 7 cancel is equal to y. So f of x is equal to y belongs to R. Therefore, f is on 2. F is on 2. F is 1, 1. F is on 2. Therefore, f is bijective. F is invertible. Therefore, g of y is equal to y minus 7 by 10 belongs to R. G of y equal to 10 minus 7, y minus 7 by 10. That is the function. Now we have to verify, check G composite f is equal to f composite g is equal to IR. G composite f. G composite f of x is equal to g of f of x. G of f of x is equal to g of f of x is 10x plus 7. G of 10x plus 7. In G of y, in place of y, we have to replace 10x plus 7 is equal to 10x plus 7. In place of y, I put 10x plus 7 minus 7 by 10. Now, plus 7 minus 7 cancel, then 10x by 10. So, 10 cancel is equal to x, that is equal to I x. So, for h plus 1, that is IR. Let's find F composite G. F composite G of y is equal to F of G of y is equal to F of y minus 7 by 10. Y minus 7 by 10. Now, you have to, wherever you got x, replace y minus 7 by 10. 10 into y minus 7 by 10 plus 7. Now, this 10 cancel is equal to y minus 7 plus 7 plus 7 minus 7 cancel is equal to y is equal to IY. Therefore, G composite F is equal to F composite G is equal to IR. Therefore, the required function G is G of y equal to y minus 7 by 10 where y belongs to R. That is the required function. Question number 2. Let f such that whole number to whole number be defined as f of n equal to n minus 1 if n is odd, and f of n equal to n plus 1 if n is even. Show that f is invertible. Find the inverse of f. Here, f is the set of whole numbers. What is w? W is equal to start from 0, 1, 2, dot. W is the set of whole numbers. Now, we have to prove that f is invertible. We have to find f is invertible. That f is equal to w to w, whole number to whole number, f of n equal to n minus 1 if n is odd, n plus 1 this. To prove that f is invertible, we have to show that f is a bijective function. To prove f is bijective, it is proved that f is 1, 1 and odd 2. First we will prove 1, 1 or 1, 1. x1, x2 belongs to w. x1 and x2 are odd. Both x1 and x2 are odd. f of x1 equal to x1 minus 1. f of x2 equal to x2 minus 1. f of x1 equal to f of x2. Therefore, x1 minus 1 equal to x2 minus 1. We can cancel minus 1, x1 equal to x2. Here both x1 and x2 are odd. x1 and x2 are even. Both are even. f of x1 equal to f of x1 equal to x1 plus 1. f of x2 equal to x2 plus 1. f of x2 equal to f of x2, f of x1 equal to f of x2. x1 plus 1 equal to x2 plus 1. You can cancel plus 1. So x1 equal to x2. f of x2 equal to f of x1 equal to f of x2, x1 equal to x2, both are even. Case this is 1, this is case 1, this is 1, this is 2. Now third, x1 is odd and x2 is even. x1 is odd, x2 is even. f of x1 equal to x1 minus 1. f of x2, x2 plus 1. Why f of x2, x2 plus 1? For even n plus 1, x2 plus 1. Here, even number never equal to odd number. Therefore, x1 not equal to x2. Therefore, f of x1 and f of x2 both are not equal. f of x1 not equal to f of x2. Then case 4. x1 is odd, x1 is even, and x2 is odd. x1 is even, x2 is odd. f of x1 equal to x1 plus 1. f of x2 equal to x2 minus 1. Even number is not equal to odd number, therefore x1 not equal to x2, then these two are not equal, f of x1 not equal to f of x2. இப்போ 1 1 என்ன இருக்கணும், x1 equal to x2 னா f of x1 equal to f of x2 இருக்கணும், x1 not equal to x2 னா f of x1 not equal to f of x2. இந்த நாலு கேஸ்மே ப்ரூவ் ஆயிடுச்சு. therefore f is 1 1. Consider the arrow diagram. Zero, 1, 2, 3, 4, dot dot. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, dot. W is also W to W. Now 0 is considered to be an even number. Upper 0 is n plus 1, 0 plus 1, 1. 1 is odd number, 1 minus 1, 0. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 minus 1, 2. 4, even number, 4 plus 1, 5. Then, if 5 is there, 5 should map to 4. 5 is odd number. So, all even numbers, see all even numbers, 0, 2, 4. All even numbers are mapped with the odd numbers in the codomain set. All the odd numbers in the domain set is mapped with the even numbers in the codomain set. All odd numbers in the domain set mapped with the even number in the codomain set. All even number in the domain set mapped with the odd number in the codomain set. Therefore, what is range? Range is W. What is codomain? Codomain is also W. Since range equal to codomain. Since range is equal to codomain, F is on 2. F is on 2. For every element in the codomain has a pre-image in the domain. No element is left over here. all the elements in the codomain have a pre-image in the domain. Therefore, F is onto. Hence, F is invertible. F is invertible. F inverse of n is equal to n minus 1 if n is odd, n plus 1 if n is even. F inverse of n is n minus 1 if n is odd, n plus 1 if n. See, for all n minus 1 is odd number. All odd number is mapped with the even number. All odd number kula even number ka pre-image. All even number ke odd number ka pre-image. Odd number ka pre-image. So this is question number 3. If f is such that r tends to r, real number to real number, is defined by f of x is equal to x square minus 3x plus 2, find f of x. Here f of x is x square minus 3x plus 2. We have to find f of x. F of x is equal to f of x square minus 3x plus 2 is equal to, wherever you got x, replace x square minus 3x plus 2. X square minus 3x plus 2 the whole square minus 3 into x square minus 3x plus 2 then plus 2. X square minus 3x plus 2. Now expand formula. X power 4 plus 2 into x power 4 9x square plus 4 plus 2 into x square minus 3x plus 2 into minus 3x into 2 plus 2 into x square. A square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca minus 3x square plus 9x minus 6 plus 2. After removing the bracket, minus 3x square plus 9x minus 6 plus 2. Now we have to simplify. X power 4 plus 9x square plus 4, this is 2 into minus 3 minus 6x cube, again minus 2 into 3 6 12x plus 4x square minus 3x square plus 9x minus 4. Simplification. Minus 6 plus 2, 4. Again, x power 4 minus 6x cube, 9x square, is over, and 4x square minus 3x square plus 9x square, 10x square. Then plus 4 minus 4 cancel. Then x term minus 12x plus 3x plus 9x minus 3x. Number 4. Show that the function f such that R2 x belongs to R x greater than minus 1, x less than 1, defined by f of x is equal to x by 1 plus modulus x, where x belongs to R, is 1, 1 and R2. இந்த கொடுத்திருக்கிற function இந்த interval real number 2 in this interval you have to prove that it is 1, 1 as well as R2. அப்போ what is modulus x? Modulus x is plus x when x greater than or equal to 0. அதே modulus x is equal to minus x when x less than 0. x less than 0 na modulus x வந்து minus x, when x greater than or equal to 0 na modulus x is plus x. அப்புறம் இந்த இன்டர்வல் வந்து இது நம்பர் லைன், இது minus 1, இது plus 1. minus 1 not included, plus 1 not included, all the values between minus 1 to 1 included தான் இந்த interval. அப்போ இது வந்து domain set. Real number வந்து codomain set. You have to prove that the given function is 1, 1 and R2. To prove that it is 1, 1, we have to prove that f of x1 equal to f of x2, then we have to prove that x1 equal to x2. For R2, we have to show that f of x is equal to y. For f of x is equal to x by 1 plus modulus x. 1 plus modulus x. Here, there are two cases. When x greater than or equal to 0 and x less than or equal to 0. When x greater than or equal to 0. When x greater than or equal to 0. When x greater than or equal to 0, f of x is equal to x divided by 1 plus x. 1 plus x. Modulus of x is x. I am putting x. f of x is x by 1 plus x. f of x1 equal to x1 by 1 plus x1. f of x2 is equal to x2 by 1 plus x2. Assume f of x is equal to f of x2. f of x1 equal to f of x2. That is x1 by 1 plus x1 equal to x2 by 1 plus x2. Now cross to multiply. x1 into 1, x1 plus x1 into x2, x1, x2 equal to 1 into x2, x2 plus x1 into x2, x1, x2. So both sides x1, x2 we can cancel. So we are getting answer x1 equal to x2. We have assumed f of x1 equal to f of x2. We have shown that x1 equal to x2. That is first case. Second case, when x less than 0. When x less than 0, f of x is x divided by 1. When x less than 0, modulus of x is minus x. In place of modulus x, I put minus x. F of x1 equal to x1 by 1 minus x1. What is f of x2? f of x2 equal to x2 by 1 minus x2. Assume f of x1 equal to f of x2. x1 by 1 minus x1 equal to x2 by 1 minus x2. Now cross multiply. x1 minus x1 x2 equal to x2 minus x1 into x2. So minus x1 x2 minus x1 into both sides cancel. Therefore x1 equal to x2. So we assumed f of x1 equal to f of x2. We have proved x1 equal to x2 in both the cases. Therefore f is 1, 1. This function f is a 1, 1 function. We have to prove that onto. For onto, f of x is equal to y. F of x is equal to y. Here also both the cases. When x greater than or equal to 0, what is f of x? F of x is equal to x by 1 plus x. F of x is equal to x by 1 plus x. That is equal to 1. Now cross multiply. X y into x into 1, x is equal to y into 1, y plus x by. Then find x in terms of y. Therefore x minus xy equal to y. Therefore x into 1 minus y equal to y. Therefore x is equal to y by 1 minus y. Y by 1 minus y. Now find. Now we have to prove that f of x. What is f of x? F of x is equal to f of y by 1 minus y. F of y by 1 minus y. Okay, in place of x, I am going to put y by 1 minus y is equal to y by 1 minus y divided by 1 plus y by 1 minus y. This is x by 1 plus x. That is f of x. Therefore f of x is equal to, now y by 1 minus y. Now the LCM is 1 minus y. About 1 into 1 minus y, 1 minus y plus y, plus y. Now plus y minus y cancel. F of x is equal to y by 1 minus y into 1 minus y into 1. 1 minus y into 1. So 1 minus y will cancel. So f of x is equal to y. So it is proved f of x is y. We have proved. Now we have one more case. When x is less than 0. When x is less than 0, f of x is equal to x by 1 minus x. X by 1 minus x. If f of x is equal to y, about y is equal to, you have to keep f of x is equal to y, x by 1 minus x. Now cross multiply. X is equal to 1 into x. X is equal to y minus x by x plus xy equal to y. X into 1 plus y equal to y. Therefore x is equal to y by 1 plus y. So when x is less than 0, x is equal to y by 1 plus y. Now we have to prove that f of x is equal to f of y by 1 plus y. F of y by 1 plus y. F of y by 1 plus y is equal to f of x is equal to y by 1 plus y divided by x is 1 minus x. 1 minus y by 1 plus y. Y by 1 plus y. F of x is equal to, now take LCM, y by 1 plus y. For this LCM, 1 plus y, 1 plus y minus y. 1 plus y minus y. Now plus y minus y cancel. F of x is equal to y by 1 plus y into 1 by 1 plus y ulta. 1 plus y by y. So 1 plus y, 1 plus y. 1 plus y by 1. 1 plus y by 1. So 1 plus y, 1 plus y cancel is equal to y. So here also f of x is equal to y. In both the cases, when x is greater than or equal to 0, we have proved f of x is equal to y. When x is less than 0, we have proved f of x is equal to y. Therefore, F is on 2. F is on 2. F is 1 1, F is on 2. Therefore, F is 1 1 and on 2. F is 1 1 and on 2. Question number 5. Show that the function f such that r tends to r, real number to real number, given by f of x is equal to x cube is injective. Let x1, x2 belongs to r. F of x1 equal to x1 cube. F of x2 equal to x2 cube. Assume f of x1 equal to f of x2. x1 cube is equal to x2 cube. x1 cube minus x2 cube equal to 0. A cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So this can be written as x1 minus x2 into x1 square plus x1 into x2 plus x2 square equal to 0. x1 minus x2 equal to 0. x1 square plus x1 x2 plus x2 square not equal to 0, because x1 square is positive, x2 square is positive. Sum of the square is always greater than the product. Sum of the square is always greater than the product. So this never become 0. Therefore, x1 minus x2 equal to 0. x1 equal to x2. We assume f of x1 equal to f of x2, x1 equal to x2. Therefore, f is injective.